welcome to the very first episode of Cascadia Kitchen, where I get down and make some delicious meals in my truck. Today, we got hibachi. That's right, I got some steak, shrimp, veggies, and rice. Right, I got this 5-minute rice here. Gonna pop the water in my microwave, get that cooking nice and hot. I'm gonna measure out about a cup. I'm just gonna eyeball it. From there, boom, it's cooking. I might have to turn my truck on. This microwave draws a lot of power. I might need to crank her up just to make sure it works, but I might get 3 minutes out of it. 3 minutes later, the microwave just went off. I went ahead and measured out approximately 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it into my boiling water now. All right, perfect. Let's stir that around a little bit. There we go. Now, we'll give it some time to sit. All right, the second thing we're gonna cook is the shrimp. My little hot plate here. Everybody loves garlic salt. Get this. There we go, not too much. There we go. I can feel that starting to get hot. I'm gonna peek in on my rice. It's looking good. It's 5-minute rice. It still needs a couple more minutes. That. 5 minutes. Oh, I forgot. I can't run the microwave and the skillet at the same time. I'm starting the truck. I'm breaking down and starting the truck. Let's do it. And now we can start this. So we got 2 things cooking. I had to start the truck just to make sure I could use all this power. But I'll roll up the window so you guys can hear me at least. I still got about 5 minutes on this, so I'm gonna go pause it. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I got a few seconds left on my veggies. Boom, these are done. I'm gonna let them sit for a second because I am sure those things are hot. But I wanted to come back just to start the steak. I just put my shrimp out of there on my plate. Now the steak's gonna go in. I'm gonna go for a medium. I don't like it too rare and I don't like it too cooked. I think maybe a medium well is gonna be good for me. So we'll go ahead and pop my veggies on there. Not so hot. Veggies, shrimp. Now we're just waiting on some steak. I'm gonna try some. It's cooked. I'm gonna give the steaks a couple minutes on this side and a couple minutes on that side. Toss it over, let's see what it looks on the other side. I'm making some progress, but this was a thick old Johnny. And a thick boy. It's gonna take a minute for it to cook. I'm just gonna dice it up anyway when it's done cooked. I need a lid for this pan, that's what I need. I need a lid to keep some of this heat in there. Close enough is good enough. I used a little bit of ingenuity and I came up with a makeshift lid. So, we're gonna go ahead and dice this puppy up. Let's see if she's still mooing. Oh no, that's about perfect. Check it out. Not bad for a little $6 Walmart steak. We're gonna do a little yum yum sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, some seasoning. All right, folks, what do you think? That concludes the very first episode of Cascadia Kitchen. I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna enjoy dinner, and I'm gonna go to bed, wake up, and do it all over again. See you in the next one. Take it easy.